वापस वही वीडियो, वापस वही मिस्टेक्स, वापस एक रेड कार्ड, 2 गेम्स 2 रेड कार्ड्स, 1 अगेंस्ट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड दैट आर एन एब्सोल्यूट जोक ऑफ अ टीम, जिनके अगेंस्ट हम ट्राई भी नहीं कर पाए टू विन, एंड 1 अगेंस्ट ब्राइटन जहाँ पे हम जीत रहे थे, यहाँ पे गेम हमारे हाथ में था और हमने उनको हाथ में दे दिया। हाय गाइस, दिस फुटबॉल यानी, आई एम सॉरी इफ आई डोंट लुक ओवरली हैप्पी, क्योंकि मैं नहीं हूँ हैप्पी। माहौल ही ऐसा है, माहौल बेबी नहीं है, बिकॉज चेल्सी एफसी हैव हैड अ रियली बैड स्टार्ट टू द सीजन। 6 गेम्स एंड वी ओनली हैव 8 पॉइंट्स इन दोस 6 गेम्स। 10 पॉइंट्स ड्रॉप किए हैं हमने, एंड वी हैवंट इवन प्लेड अगेंस्ट एनी ऑफ द टॉप 6 टीम्स, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट कंसिडर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड टू बी इन द टॉप 6। और प्रॉब्लम्स आ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। द फैंस आर टर्निंग ऑन द मैनेजर, the manager is turning on the sporting directors. The only person who is not turning with the ball is Enzo Fernandez. But let's get into it. Let's start off with a game against Lincoln. We'll get to the Brighton game, but पहले context set करते हैं और बात करते हैं about the EFL Cup game against Lincoln. We won that game 2-1, and you know, all things considered, it doesn't matter how we played. लेकिन इस game का first half was probably the worst first half I've ever seen this team play. इतना घटिया, इतना चॉपी, इतना जस्ट बैड, जस्ट आई डोंट हैव और कौन से और सिनोनिम्स क्या होते हैं, टट्टी, हग्गू, आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स टू से। I mean, I understand it's a cup game, it's an away game. I understand that it's against a side that are a brute of a side, that are physical, और वो अपने लोग you know, they were pushing people into the D and you know, using long throws and set pieces to bully our defenders. लेकिन इतना गंदा कैसे खेल सकते हैं हम? How can we play this bad? We are a Premier League side that should be able to hold the ball, that should be able to string some passes, you know, make a play, that should be able to retain the ball at least for a little bit. पहला हाफ पूरा उन्हीं के अटैकिंग हाफ में चल रहा था, हम लोग बस डिफेंड कर रहे। आई मीन, फिलिप यॉर्गनसन, इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी इसके पास थी टू शो द मैनेजर दैट हे मैन, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट हमारा कीपर घटिया है, रॉबर्ट सैंचेज बहुत ही घटिया है, बट मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, आई विल शो यू व्हाट अ गुड कीपर इज। एंड देन ही केम इन एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग बिकॉज वो कोई भी क्रॉस कलेक्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहा था। इतना लंबा कीपर होने के बावजूद हाउ कैन ही नॉट बी एबल टू कलेक्ट क्रॉसेस? ही जस्ट ट्राइड, ही फेल्ड, ही सैट ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड देन वो ऐसे देख रहा था रोते हुए लोगों को, यार मुझे प्रोटेक्ट कर लो प्लीज, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा। ही डिड नॉट मेक एनी सेव्स विद द बॉल, ही लुक्स अनकंफर्टेबल एंड जस्ट ओवरऑल इट वाज सच अ बैड परफॉर्मेंस। मैं कुछ आई डोंट वांट टू यू नो सिंगल अमाउंट, क्योंकि किसी और ने इतना अच्छा नहीं खेला, बट लाइक इट वाज just like atrocious. Thankfully in the second half, Facundo Buonanotte, I think that's how you say his name, and Evil Saka, Tyreek George, they scored 2 goals in quick succession. Tyreek George का goal तो बहुत अच्छा था and I'm happy for him and it was a great goal, great finish, a great shot. But the point being that हम फिर भी deserve नहीं करते थे technically to win. I think it was well managed until the end that we did not concede, but you know, it was not a great performance and it did not give me confidence against Brighton. On the weekend we were going to play against Brighton and that did not give me any sort of security, क्योंकि पिछले साल अगर किसी को याद होगा तो we played 2 games against Brighton in like consecutive matches and that was probably the lowest point of the season for Chelsea personally. That's how I felt. We looked like we were out of ideas, the manager looked out of depth, the players looked like they were fatigued, they were just like they didn't know what to do, and we got, not only, it's not like we played bad, we just got I mean we did play bad, but it's not like they played great, we just tactically got outclassed and outmastered by a good manager, Fabian Hizler or however he says his name. So you know, I was not very happy that we are going to play Brighton at home on Saturday. I was not optimistic about winning that game. Lekin Maresca cooked. That first half against Brighton was probably the best half I've ever seen at this season till this point. इतना अच्छा हमने खेला. Pedro Neto was taking on players. Reece James was playing at his best position, which was in the wing, like crossing balls, taking shots. Estevao looked sharp. He was just killing players left, right, center. Enzo Fernandez was actually involved and he was linking up play. And you know, we like stats were also with us. 70% possession, 9 shots taken, 3 on target. They barely had any shots on target, and that was a great performance. I was like, wait, 1 second, shayad we have turned it around. Maybe we have gotten to a point where this is where our season changes, and it just looked great because everything was working in our favor. लेकिन फिर आया सेकेंड हाफ और वही हुआ जो पिछले 2 मैचेस में हो रहा था. वी स्टार्टेड गिविंग देम द बॉल, वी स्टार्टेड अलाउइंग देम टू प्ले इन आवर हाफ स्लोली एंड मेड अ सिली मिस्टेक एंड गॉट अ रेड कार्ड. अब मैं किसे ब्लेम करूं? हु डू आई ब्लेम? बिकॉज ठीक है, आंड्रे सैंटोस ने एक गंदा टच लिया. आई डोंट नो फर्स्टली व्हाई ही वाज टेकिंग सच अ बिग टच इन हिज ओन हाफ व्हेन देयर वाज नोबडी एल्स टू पास टू. All he had to do was give it back to the keeper, but he made a mistake. He's to blame. Chalobah, I don't really want to blame because he was the last man. वो कुछ कर नहीं सकता था. He tried his best. He got a red card. There's nothing to be done. Overall, it's a mistake, but not everything's not on him. और क्या? What else? Is that it? We just make mistakes and we lose the games. A game, by the way, that was completely in our hands because till 50th minute they had done nothing. Brighton had absolutely done nothing. And Enzo Maresca को मैं blame कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि he set us up for success. He actually got it right. He got the personnel right. He got the tactics right. And he got a goal as well. We were winning the game. So the question is, who do I blame? I want to rewind time a little bit and go back to 2022 where Chelsea were playing at home against Liverpool. This was the season where we were technically, you know, favorites to be the Premier League winners. और हम मैच खेल रहे थे लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट. अच्छा मैच था. We were leading 1-0 just before half time. रीस जेम्स ने गोल लाइन पे एक शॉट ब्लॉक किया बट वो बॉल उसके हाथ पे लगी. Even though the hand was like this, he got a red card. Liverpool got a penalty. और मोहम्मद सलाह ने वो पेनल्टी कन्वर्ट कर दी एंड द स्कोर वाज 1-1 एट हाफ टाइम. चेल्सी हैड टू प्ले 45 मिनट्स विद 10 men अगेंस्ट Jurgen Klopp's Liverpool. An attack of Mohamed Salah, Sadio Mane and Roberto Firmino. इनके अगेंस्ट हमें 45 मिनट्स तक खेलना था with a man down. And you know what the result was at the end? It was still 1-1. Why? Because that was a different Chelsea. That was a Chelsea that won. That was a manager who refused to lose. That team had players that had experience and that was world class. If they did not have experience, they were world class. वो एक अलग Chelsea थी. वो एक अलग era of Chelsea था. वो अब्रामोविच की Chelsea थी जहाँ पे prerequisite था to win. If you do not win, you do not stay, whether it's a player or a manager. It's required for you to have the mentality to win because that's what Chelsea do. We win. But that is not the Chelsea anymore. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा to realize that हमारे क्लब की identity change हो चुकी है. हम वो क्लब नहीं है जो सबको जीतता था. We are a different club now. This ownership has changed what Chelsea means. This ownership has a different vision for Chelsea. तो मुझे बहुत वक्त लगा to accept the fact that कि यार हम वो नहीं होने वाले. Let's be real right now. Enzo Maresca is not a world class manager. Our team is not a world class team that is going to win the Champions. That is going to win the Premier League. तो why are we expecting world class results from them? I know Brighton के against जीतना is not a world class result. लेकिन अगर तुम्हारी टीम में inexperienced youngsters हैं, अगर तुम्हारी team is made up of young kids who yes have talent but don't have experience, this is the kind of results that we're going to get. उसमें आप Maresca को blame नहीं कर सकते, उसमें आप players को भी blame नहीं कर सकते, उसमें आप सिर्फ ownership को blame कर सकते हो because that is the way they see this club now. They don't see this club as Abramovich saw it. They see it in a different way where they want to be profitable, where they want to have a philosophy of or like a style of play that doesn't necessarily mean winning. क्योंकि the expectations are top 4. अभी भी expectation for Enzo Maresca is top 4. तो आप कैसे expect कर सकते हो कि वो जाके सब कुछ जीतेगा? So it's sad and it makes me every day, it makes me feel like I'm still coming to terms with this कि हम वो Chelsea नहीं है कि हम Premier League नहीं जीतने वाले शायद अभी 2 और सीजन, हम Champions League शायद नहीं जीतने वाले अभी और 2, 3, 4, 5 season, I don't know how many long, and we don't even have a team that I'm currently confident about. The defense I'm not confident about, but I've always been a pessimistic person and I'm trying to be optimistic. I'm trying to have patience. I'm trying to give this team, this manager, this ownership time because abhi tak I know things haven't been ideal, but they have sort of worked, right? The ownership has got us 2 trophies, which I mean, Conference League, sure, whatever. Club World Cup हमने expect नहीं की थी, but हम जीते, which showed me that Enzo Maresca has overperformed and he definitely deserves time, right? He deserves time. He's not the manager that will win us the Premier League right now. बट वो हो सकता है, वो बन सकता है वो मैनेजर, क्योंकि अगर हमने इसको अभी सैक किया, द फिलोसफी ऑफ द क्लब विल रिमेन द सेम. वी विल स्टिल गो फॉर अ कोच दैट इज यंग, दैट हैज अ फिलोसफी, अ स्टाइल ऑफ प्लेइंग एंड दैट इज कोलैबोरेटिव, व्हिच मींस दैट उसको फुल कंट्रोल नहीं मिलने वाला है ओवर द ट्रांसफर टारगेट्स, ओवर द काइंड ऑफ players that we get in the future. He will just be a coach, he will not be a manager. So it's better that we give Enzo time. And I know it's scary and I know it's tough, but this is the new Chelsea and this is what we have to deal with. That's been me, guys. This is a tough couple of fixtures coming on because अब Benfica आने वाला है the midweek, and then of course Liverpool आने वाली है at home. So we have to be strong, but I'm hopeful, and if not hopeful, I am behind the team because we love this club. There's not much else that we can do about it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel. Please comment. Please like these videos if you are enjoying whatever I'm talking about, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.